trouble, isn't it? May I come in? May I sit down?
You plan on being here that long?
May I sit down?
Well,
Looking at you, I see why my husband is so tender. I may well admit he's probably alone.
yes, he probably is.
And are you alone with him?
Yes.
Then we have a problem.
He's not in love with you anymore.
He's supposed to.
He will.
Lots of people don't make it.
Why did you find me anyway?
Sometimes it's necessary to invade your husband's privacy. I want you to know I'm not giving up on you.
I consider myself one of those. No excuse.
You and I are not.
Oh, yes, we are.
Sit down.
What makes you think you come in my house and boss me around?
There are rules, Miss Blackley. You know them as well as I do. I'm not the one trying to sue somebody else's husband.
I don't have to steal. Look how I'm going.
How about this? You think you'll get the same money as he gets?
The same and more.
What are you, 24, 25? That's not 38. I've seen you one career across the South Carolina. Still with him at the side of both his parents' funerals. He was there when each of our 4 children were born. I helped him coach his first book of poetry. Flew to Africa with him to attend the funeral of the only woman I could hear with his blood. I forgot more about him than you'll ever know.
So,
I'm here to tell you when and over and over.
this conversation is useless. I'm not your problem. All I got to do is be patient and a man was mine. He's been promising for you for years. Keep waiting for the right woman to come along.
And you think you'll never
I know I'm the right woman. And I have babies and hold his hand and do everything you did and more.
that you would have never changed.
I will have a chance. Please leave.